Hi, this is Jojo from Sneaker Lab, and today we will be going through how to clean your white canvas sneakers. We got our hands on a dirty pair of white Converse All Stars to show you how to best clean, care for, and protect them. First, you will need to prep your shoes. Start by giving your sneakers a dry brush, getting rid of any excess dirt. You can give them a hit to remove excess dirt, then remove the laces as they will be washed separately at a later stage. Next, you can grab a sneaker wipe and do a quick spot clean to get rid of any surface level dirt. Use a dab and twist motion for those tricky areas. When the spot clean is done, we will go into a deep clean. Generously spray your sneaker with our sneaker cleaner, spraying at least 20 sprays per shoe. Fill a container with water and wet the bristles of your brush. Gently scrub the upper of your shoe in small circular movements. This motion is important to not spread any dirt. Rinse the brush and reapply sneaker cleaner when necessary, paying attention to those hard to reach places. Once you've cleaned your upper, make your way down to the midsoles of the shoe. Use our microfiber towel to wipe away the foam and dirt and set them aside to dry. We'll turn to the laces now. Generously apply sneaker cleaner to your laces, rub them together between your hands, and then dip them in water. Continue this process until your laces are well saturated, wring out the water, and leave the laces to dry overnight. Once your laces and shoes are dry, lace up your kicks in preparation for protecting them. Spray your inner soles if they aren't glued in and the inside of your kicks with our odor protector to protect them from unwanted odors. Lastly, generously spray the outside of your sneakers with our sneaker protector to protect them from dirt and stains, as well as making future cleans easier. And that was our step-by-step guide on how to clean your white canvas sneakers. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our social media platforms to stay tuned for more sneaker-related content from Sneaker Lab.